Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp invite problem. To know how to fix WhatsApp invite problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. Then in this page, you will go to click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear. You will to click. Sorry for that mistake. I will click here first. Stop. Then you will go to click storage. After that, you will go to click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.